Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really good quick tutorial for you guys. This is my client Melinda and we are on session number 2 taking her lighter, and this is going to be a great transformation. I'm going to show you how to kick out all that old color and all that old brass and still lighten everything up and give her a solid blonde look while still keeping dimension towards the base area to allow for a nice grow out.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found.
So today is 2 videos in a row that you see me using Goldwell Silklift Strong, and I'm loving this lightener. I've been on a kick of trying new things every now and then lately, and this is one of my new favorites. It is definitely gentle. It does not have enough kick like Xoxoxo does, but it is definitely good for clients who are already really blonde and you just want to pop them out a little bit. They do have different ones in the family of Silklift, but this is the strongest one that gives you up to 7 levels of a lift. Today's placement, I am doing 2 in the middle, 2 on the left, 2 on the right, 2 in the middle, 2 on the left, 2 on the right, and bricklay pattern all the way up to the crown. And then I'm going to do the front sides like I normally do on a diagonal. If you're new into the new looks and foiling and really taking it to the next level, and you've been having trouble when you're doing 2 sides in the back, you can't get all the hair into the foil, it's too wide, you feel like there's some slippage, anything like that, whether you're a seasoned stylist, whether you're brand new out of cosmetology school, this placement is for you guys. This definitely goes with the round of the head, and it gets every single piece of hair without being overbearing with too much hair and too wide. So I always like doing 2 in the middle, 2 on the left, 2 on the right, sometimes 3. And on the sides, as I work my way up, I go on a slight diagonal just to run with the roll of the head. Keep in mind, guys, that yes, every head is round, but you need multiple foil placements because everybody's hairline and everybody's interior of the hair is different. Not every single person is going to be able to get away with the same foil placement. Even if you have your one go-to, you're always going to end up having to tweak it for certain clients. Now you can see a better picture as I work my way up. And when it gets small enough in the crown area, I'll just go straight up horizontal from there.
But you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me.
So as you guys notice, I'm working my way into the front hairline area where I'm packing in a couple of slices with really tight baby lights, probably about 5 to 6 foils. Then I'll go back into my normal baby light sizes and subsections. But I wanted to point out to you guys, you will see that I'm using 3 different foils here in this video today. I am now using, I do believe, the Product Club pop-up box foils here in the front area. And also I'm using my black Framar pop-ups. And I'm also right here going to be using the boxes you can get on Amazon, the food service foil where you rip them in half. They have a smaller standard size, and they also have a really long one that's a lot longer, and that's what I'm using here for the rest of the head. And lately I've been playing with different foils and whatnot. You got to remember, you guys, it's good to have an arsenal of all different kinds of foils and tools because no 2 heads are the same. Some clients' hair might like one foil better than the other, and it's just good to go out there and get out of the box and try new things, because when you get stuck in a box and you're doing the same thing all the time, same foils, same combs, I know it sounds silly, but if you're doing that, you will burn out. I like trying new foils, trying new combs. It keeps me excited for the next day at work. I have also noticed that using thinner foils allows me to pack in foils tighter and a lot more. Framar are great, especially if you're a new stylist beginning to really get into foiling, like my assistant Kathy. She loves them. They hold very well into the hair, but as you become more seasoned in foiling, it is harder to pack a lot more foils in there. You start running out of room because of the embossed sheets. So lately I've been loving these new foils from Australia. It's Foil Me foils, and you'll be seeing it in a couple videos coming up that I fell in love with these guys. They're amazing. They're soft. I've always been searching for a foil that's really, really thin but still has grip and embossed, and they hit the nail on the head. So now quickly moving into my root toning portion, I'm root shadowing her with Goldwell Colorance 7N, 7NA. And then because she had a lot of warmth in the mid area, I decided to mix up a mid toner, and I use Joico Lumishine Demi Liquids 8N, 8NA with the dedicated 5 volume, and I toned her ends all over with 10B, 10P, 10BS Goldwell Colorance.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me.
Oh my God, you guys, look at this blonde hair. We are obsessed with it. It came out way better than I could have anticipated. A lot of warmth was kicked out in that mid area, and now it is beautiful and blended from roots to ends. We have that nice dimension towards the root base area, which will give her a nice easy grow out, but we still have those nice pops of solid blonde towards the ends. Oh my God, look how beautiful it is outside, you guys. Please let me know down below in the comments what you thought about this video. Leave video ideas down there as well. I want to put out content you guys want to see. I love you all so very much. I'll see you in the next one. As always, guys, so long for now.
When